The existence of Jinn, a scientific and Qur'anic exploration. The existence of Jinn is one of the most mysterious and intriguing aspects of Islamic theology, described vividly in the Qur'an. These entities, created from a smokeless flame of fire, are often mentioned alongside humans as beings with free will. While belief in Jinn has traditionally been rooted in religious and cultural contexts, modern scientific inquiry has begun exploring realms of existence that may offer fascinating parallels to the Quranic descriptions. In this chapter, we will explore the scientific and Quranic perspectives on Jinn, investigating the nature of their creation, existence, and the potential connections between ancient scripture and contemporary science. Scientific speculations on non-human entities. While modern science does not explicitly recognize the existence of Jinn, there are fascinating parallels in scientific fields that explore the possibility of entities or forms of existence beyond human perception. Some of these include dark matter and dark energy. Physicists have long theorized the existence of dark matter and dark energy, which together make up approximately 95% of the universe's mass energy content. These mysterious entities do not interact with light, making them invisible and difficult to detect directly. Quantum physics and parallel universes. The field of quantum mechanics presents even more intriguing possibilities. Quantum physics has shown that particles can exist in multiple states at once and can affect each other across vast distances instantaneously. Some physicists also propose the possibility of parallel universes or dimensions, which may exist alongside our own but are undetectable by ordinary means. Electromagnetic spectrum. The human eye can only perceive a small fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum, visible light. Other forms of electromagnetic waves, such as infrared, ultraviolet, and radio waves, are invisible to us but still very real. If Jinn are composed of a form of energy outside the visible spectrum, they could theoretically exist in a way that aligns with both religious descriptions and scientific understanding of unseen forces. Quranic perspective on Jinn. The Quran refers to Jinn in numerous verses, highlighting their creation, characteristics, and abilities. One of the most direct references is found in Surah Al-Hijr, 15:27. And the Jinn we created before from scorching fire. This verse suggests that Jinn are fundamentally different from humans, who were created from clay. The notion of smokeless fire has intrigued scholars and believers alike, with many interpreting it as a reference to energy or a non-physical form of matter, unlike anything visible in the human world. In addition to their creation, Jinn are also endowed with free will, similar to humans. They have the ability to choose between good and evil, and like humans, they will be judged on the Day of Judgment based on their actions, as mentioned in Surah or Ar-Rahman, 55:15. And he created the Jinn from a smokeless flame of fire. Jinn and human interaction in the Quran. The Quran also mentions instances where Jinn interact with humans. The most famous example is in Surah Al-Jinn, where a group of Jinn listens to the Quran and acknowledges its divine message. The verse states, "Say, it has been revealed to me that a company of the Jinn listened to the Quran, and they said, indeed, we have heard an amazing recitation." Surah Al-Jinn 72-1. This illustrates that Jinn are not only conscious and intelligent beings but also capable of understanding and interacting with the human world. In addition to their spiritual role, Jinn are often associated with inexplicable phenomena that have captured the interest of both religious and scientific communities. Stories of supernatural experiences, hauntings, or inexplicable occurrences often attribute these events to Jinn. Although science typically approaches such phenomena with skepticism, the possibility of Jinn as a factor in the unseen world cannot be entirely dismissed, especially in the absence of definitive scientific explanations for many such occurrences.